This conference will now be recorded.
So today my agenda session Power Platform Demo. Power Platform Demo. So today my agenda first about myself. Next, what is Power Platform? Power Platform modules. What is Power App? What is Power Automate? What is Power BI? What is Power Virtual Agent?
Screen not visible, sir.
Already I have shared the screen. I think Amarnath Reddy, can you please rejoin? Because
Okay,
on
sir. Okay,
one
sir.
minute, 1 minute, I will again share the screen.
Okay.
I think now it is visible. No need to rejoin. Otherwise, rejoin. So Power Virtual Agent. So before Power Platform, after that I can explain what is WWW Power Virtual Agent, how to create the account, Power App account, Power Platform account, like real-time project explanation and interview questions and job opportunity and salary structure and question and answers. Please ignore spelling mistakes. This is the today my agenda session. First one. So Power Platform. Before that, about myself. My name is Raghavendra. I have around 15 plus years of experience. I am working as a solution architect, one of the MNC organization. Presently, I am working as a solution architect, one of the MNC organization. Started with my career from SharePoint. So previously, I have worked on SharePoint 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, Azure, SharePoint Online, Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, ChatGPT. Around 1 lakh people are trained in the different technologies. Extremely power platform, around 2000 batches are completed. Extremely power platform like Power App and Power Automate and Power Virtual Agent. I think started Power App like in the states. I think only one institution. I think that our institution name only. So today I'm going to explain Power Platform. So please mute all. Please mute all. And so now, what is Power Platform? Please listen carefully because very important feature in Power Platform. So today no other calls are there. Only Power Platform having a calls. So please listen carefully and if you have any doubts on anything, please share with me. Okay. So now, what is Power Platform? Power Platform is a browser based enable technology, collaboration and content management extendable platform from Microsoft. Power Platform is a browser based enabled technology and collaboration and content management extendable platform from Microsoft. Okay, what is the meaning of browser? Browser is nothing but IAS. Browser is nothing but IAS. IAS is nothing but cloud, cloud, cloud having a three type of services. One is called IaaS, second one is called PaaS, third one is called SaaS. So interview question, interview is asking what type of services are there in cloud. Interview is asking what type of services are there, what type of services are there in cloud, and how many type of services can support, how many type of services can support. So interview power platform, how many type of services support in power platform, this is the interview question. So we have three type of services: infrastructure, platform, and software. So infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, So our power platform can support two type of services. One is called PaaS, second one is called SaaS. What is infrastructure? So interview question answer SaaS and PaaS. So here basically what is the meaning of infrastructure? Infrastructure is nothing but, for example, previous days, if you want to develop any kind of project, need to require horizontal scalar, vertical scalar, worker, vcode, and processor installation. Today, no need to install. Everything will be provided by cloud data centers like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. So everything will be provided by cloud data centers only. That is called IaaS, PaaS, SaaS like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. So platform is nothing but, previous days if you want to require any kind of project development, need to install like operating system, but today no need to install any operating system. Everything will be provided by cloud data centers only like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. So software as a service also, previous days if you want to develop any project like .NET, Java, like SAP, need to install software, but today all are cloud only. For example, GoToMeeting is a cloud, web WhatsApp is a cloud, PowerApps is a cloud, Salesforce is a cloud. So all are cloud software installation. No need to install everything, just you need to create the account, you need to log in the account, you can develop the application. So interview question, what type of services supported in power platform? Power platform can support two type of services. One is called PaaS, second one is called SaaS. That is the answer. So now what is the meaning of W? W means who, W means why, W means where. Who can learn power app? Where can learn, why can learn power app? Where I can learn power app? Okay. Basically, for example, I am a non-IT guy. I don't have any experience in IT. I don't have any experience in programming knowledge. I don't have any experience in database knowledge. I don't have any experience like that domain knowledge. I have completed like a BA, BCom, BSc, not related to software. I can also learn Power App. So non-IT and IT peoples. Why? Why means so simple. It is a low code technology. It is a low code technology. It can support all type of business needs. All type of business needs. It can support as administrator. It can support as a development and designing and middleware and middleware and database. It can also support banking, healthcare, and like social media, insurance, insurance, like CRM, like sales, finance, marketing, all type of modules. So this is all basically major important. So no need to require any coding because it's a purely no coding technology. Just I'm going to like our internet. Does Power App required coding? Just you need to go. Learning to code is not necessary for app development. Anyone can build an app without coding. All you need to find the right app to builder to accommodated with your needs. That just a matter to of learning to use that platform, adding your features and customization and look and feel of the app without any branding. So so this is the Microsoft will explain. I'm not explaining this part. So because Power App is a no coding technology, help anyone build a functional grade app right away with the Power App. Is a low code tool with the helpful pre-built templates and drag and drop tool. So Power App is a no code and low code technology. It can support like all type of like non-IT and IT peoples also. It can also support all type of business needs like sales, servicing, marketing, healthcare, as administration, as a development, as a design, like banking, social media, insurance, CRM, sales, financial, marketing, like all type of modules. So that is the meaning of why. So who means non-IT and IT peoples also. Why means this is the answer. So where can I learn Power App? So only one institution, our DattaSai IT solution only. So here you are providing 4 real-time projects, like one project related to 2 projects related to Canvas app, one project related to model driven app, one project related to Canvas app, model driven app, Power Pages, SharePoint with Power Automate. So 4 projects you are covered, and you are providing interview questions, interview guidelines, and real-time book order application, and we are also providing real-time task every day, and we'll also cover like all new concepts like ChatGPT functionality and like Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, Power BA with Power App integration, SharePoint, SQL Server, and like Oracle and Excel OneDrive Business, Dataverse also. So that is our institution features. So now I am going to explain Power Platform modules. So Power Platform having a 4 modules. Power Platform having a 4 modules. One is called Power Platform having a 4 modules. Combination of Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent is called is called Power Virtual Agent is called Power Platform. Power Platform. So Power App and Power Automate and Power BI and Power Virtual Agent. Combination of Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent is called Power Platform. Now I am going to explain what is Power App, what is Power Automate, what is Power BI, what is Power Virtual Agent. So before that, I am sharing our course content. 1 minute. So we'll cover like Power Apps, like Canvas app, Power Automate, Power Apps, Power Platform, Power Pages, Page Workspace, Power Portal, Style Workspace, SharePoint, SharePoint Online, Office 65, Dynamics 365, Power BI, Power Virtualization, and a model driven app. So we'll cover in detail like a Power App overview. Just 1 minute, it is loading. Yeah. So Power App overview. Yeah. Power App overview. Type of Power Apps. Power App building blocks in Module 1. Module 2 related to Canvas app. Module 3 related to designing of Canvas app. Module 4 related to controls and formulas. Module 5 also different type of controls and navigation notification parameters. So connectors in module 7. So related to SharePoint will cover module 8 and 9 and 10. We'll also explaining module 11 from SharePoint and Power App. Module 12 will cover all type of formulas in module 12 and module 13. Module 14 also advanced formulas and collections and components. And module 17 and 18 related to pop-ups and versioning and importing and exporting packages in module 10, 20. So related to Canvas app, around 22 modules are there, and introduction to like data was related to model driven app will cover from module 21 and 22 and 23, like Power Automate will start. 24 will related to SharePoint, extremely SharePoint, because today without SharePoint, without SharePoint, so no Power App, because SharePoint basics are must and should required, because SharePoint list document library related to some out of box features functionalities most required for Power App, Power Automate. 99.99 projects all are related to Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent with SharePoint. So that is the reason we'll cover total SharePoint topics and Power Portal, Power Pages, Page Workspaces, Page Workspace related to items, more items. So we'll cover around all topics from Power Platform. This course can this course can support up to 4 years experience guy like as real time. That is our course agenda. So now I am going to explain like what is Power App and what is Power Automate, what is Power BI, what is Power Virtual Agent. So basically, I have created one presentation for Power App. So Power App is a software to build the custom business application without knowledge of app development or custom coding. For example, I don't have any experience in coding related, I don't have any experience in programming related, I don't have any experience in software industry, I don't have any experience in development regarding software. So I can learn Power App. That is called Power App is a software to build the custom business application without knowledge of app development or custom coding. So that is the basically Power App importance. So it is including most Office 65 subscription, like most Office 65 subscription, like it is also can support like OneDrive plan or others, because for example today any type of Microsoft account, either Outlook or Teams or Azure or .NET or SQL Server, all are related to Office 65 account only. I have Office 65 account. I can able to log in Outlook. I can able to log in Teams. I can able to log in Azure. I can able to log in Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, Power BA also. So that is also concept of single sign-on. So one account can support all softwares. That is called nothing but Power App. So basically, Microsoft Azure platform service offering built-in development tool. It is also target to non-technical users also can support, can manage, can share the business apps, iOS, Android, Windows devices also. So that is called basically Microsoft Power Platform. Power App is a software to build the custom business application without knowledge of app development and custom coding. It is including most Office 65 plan subscription. It can support OneDrive plan and others. Using Microsoft Azure will provide the service offering built-in development tool. Non-technical users also can create, can manage, can share the business iOS and Android devices also. So now, so this is the major importance of Power App. So Power App feature advantages. It is a part of cloud deployment approach. No need to learn any AWS and Azure things. It is part of family tool like a Power BI, Power App, Power Automate tool. It is also modern look and feel, very mobile friendly. It can also support the design and usage for the end of end users. Are you comfort with MS Excel formulas? You can develop the Power App formulas. It will not take more time for deployment also. It will take only seconds deployment. That is the Power App advantages. So do you have any questions regarding course content like Power App and Power Automate? Like Basha, Swapna, Satish, anyone, Vishwa, Priyanka, anyone, Vicky, Sai Karun, anyone? I will wait 1 or 2 minutes regarding doubts.
Can we automate the SAP applications?
SAP application automation means, for example, you have SAP database, you can automate the through Power App to SAP. SAP application are not automated using with Power App because Power App is application development.
No, Power Automate through Power Automate.
Yeah, Power Automate with SAP. For example, you have data in SAP. So, for example, you need to any automation process, you can automate it using Power Automate.
Okay, if we have access to database, then only we can automate the SAP. Else it is
100%.
not possible, right?
Not in SAP, any type of database we have access, then only you can automate it.
But
Otherwise,
yeah, but we can automate through using the UI elements, right? So by using by entering the text box, spying the text boxes, radio button, checkbox buttons, we can write the data, submit the data, fetch the data, read the data. But is it possible to do the same thing with SAP
one thing, Sohail. For
using
example, I
Power
have
Automate?
yeah, Power Automate is a workflow development. It is a not application form. Okay. Power App is the application development. Power Automate is the workflow development. We are not creating user defined form using with Power Automate. We can create a user defined form using with Power App only.
So no, I'm not talking about user-defined form. I'm talking about the perspective of RPA, like robotic process automation, right? Power Automate. Through Power Automate, can we automate the processes? Can we mimic the human actions like we do in Blue Prism, UiPath? So that with the help of this Power Automate, can we automate the UI interfaces?
Yes, it is possible. It is possible with the RPA.
So same thing can be done with SAP application also.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. RPA is a middle, like it is interactive with the source and the target system. So that application is anything using with connector. You can automate it using with Power Automate. So Power Automate will run the flow. Okay. So now I'm going to another concept like Power Automate. Now Sohil is asking something, right? So Power Automate. So now what is Power Automate roles and responsibilities? So Power Automate is a Power Automate is a workflow development. Okay, workflow development. Power Automate can support design the business workflows development. Okay, we have different type of, and another point also, Power Automate can support all type of integrations like RPA, like Blue Prism, UiPath, automation anywhere, automation anywhere, and PowerShell script also. Okay, so for example, in real-time scenario, for example, what is the roles and responsibilities in Power App and Power Automate? Just I have one scholarship application. Okay, so for example, I'm creating first name, last name, middle name, email ID, mobile number. Click on submit button. Click on submit button. Okay. So when I click on submit button, this request will be go to the database. Before database, you need to create the one automated flow. What is the automated flow? For example, my requirement is good, so the admin team will approve. My requirement is not good, they are rejecting. So I need to submit the any additional document, they will reassign. Okay, so my requirement is good but no fund, so they are using pending. So what is the business process here? Either approve or either reassign or rejected or pending. This is the flow. So this type of flows will creating using with Power Automate. So this type of application will creating Power App. So combination of Power App and Power Automate and Power BI and Power Virtual Agent is a Power Platform. So Power App is a application development for all business needs. Power Automate is a workflow development for all business needs. This one. Power BI is a Power BI is a reporting tool reporting tool for all business, like for example, like a column chart, like line chart, pie chart, like a Power BI type. So today no Power BI, because Power BI concepts also including Power App only. For example, if you have learned Power BI, so you need to learn Power Apps also. Only one Power BI, no cost today. Power BI with Power App, no Power BI, Power App only, you have good cost. Like a Power BI, Power App included all the type of charts and Power BI functionality also. So in some days, so Power BI is a deprecated, only Power App only can support, application development and report support and dashboards and report support and development also. So only one Power App can support application plus reporting. Power Automate can support workflow. Power Virtual Agent is a chatbot development. Chatbot development. Chatbot development. What is the meaning of chatbot? Chatbot is nothing but without any human interaction, without it, so he is told something right. Without any human interaction, I can communicating with customer. So, for example, now I'm going to any airport or any like railway station. Just have open the laptops or systems. So, without any manual interaction, it will provide some information to the users. For example, I will show you. So I can go to any chatbot development. See here, chatbot examples. Just now I'm going to some chatbots. So just I'm click on here. So start free get a demo. See here, get a demo. Oh, it is asking something. Yeah, this is called chatbot. This is called chatbot. Just I can click on hi. It will provide the some information. Like for example, see, got it. I will see the someone available help you. In case you get disconnected, follow up with me. Just this one. So this type of information without any manual interaction, you are developing the chatbot application. So this is called chatbot functionality in Power Virtual Agent. So Power App is application development. Power Auto is a workflow development. Power BI is a reporting development, but today no Power BI. Power BI reports also including in Power App only. Power Virtual Agent can support chatbot development. So this is called combination of Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agent. Okay. So any doubts regarding Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent? Any doubts?
Virtual isn't is an independent app or it's any link with Power BI or Power App?
So Power Virtual Agent is a chatbot development only. Need to link with any database. For example, because the data will store into the database only. So for example, I'm typing Konark Express. So that information pull from the like ChatGPT, pull from the database only. Konark Express. So this starting time, arrival time, destination time, this station stops. So this type of information getting from the database only need to interact with the database with the like ChatGPT.
Raghavendra, can you explain about ChatGPT?
No, ChatGPT is a different concept. Different concept. We'll explain later that one, Basha. That is not including with the Power Platform. That is separate concept.
Okay. We can call the Power VA, Power Automate, Power Apps, and Power by Virtual the full stack developer. I
No, no,
think.
no. Power Platform developer. Full stack is different. Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, Power BA. The four concepts are combination of Power Platform, not full stack developer.
Okay, okay, Raghavendra.
So full stack is a purely coding. Okay. Power Platform is a no coding.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubt, Swapna or Satish Kumar or Anju Vishwa and Priyanka? Vinod, Vasudev. Okay. So now no doubts, right? Okay. So now I'm going to explain. So chat any doubts regarding this one? Now how to create the Power Platform account? Okay. So now I can go to explain Power Platform account creation. Very easy process. No need to install anything. Everything will be provided by Microsoft only. Just need to log in, sign up, sign up. Okay. Log into your Office 65 account. Just wait. I can go to incognito window. I think that is better. So I can go to here. Just I need to just I can get the account URL first of all. So sign up account. So this is called Office 65 account creation. I will provide the steps. Create Office 65 account. Enter all details and create Office 65 account. Go to app launch and provide the click on Power App. Click on Power App. It will navigate to the make.powerapp.com. Okay. So now I can go to here. I can go to here. So off sign up Office 65 account. Office 65 account. So click on trial tenant. Click on Office 65 account. Click on Office 65 account E3. So try for free. First you need to provide your email address Raghava 664 gmail.com. Click on next button. Set up account. You need to enter all the details. Click on next. Your Office 65 account will be created. Once you are creating the Office 65 account, just you can go to Office 65 homepage. Just I will close all those things. Just you need to close all accounts. So this is the Office 65 homepage. This is the Office 65 homepage, office.com. Okay, just go to another browser. Just you need to make powerapp.com. It will navigate to the Power App homepage. It will navigate to the Power App homepage. Now we can click on create. So click on blank app. We have three type of apps are there: Canvas app, model driven app, and Power Pages. We'll explain tomorrow class what is the Canvas, what is the model driven, what is the Power Pages. Same thing like Power Automate also make dot powerautomate.com, make dot powerautomate.com. So click on create. We have different type of flows are there: cloud flow, instant flow, scheduler flow, so design flow, desktop flow, and process mining. So this is called chatbot, power virtual agent chatbot. So you can provide the any information here. So default information will be provided. For example, I want to click on this one, like any information. I'll click on next one. So it will, I can click on email. It will provide the email information like this. So this is called Power Virtual Agent. This is called Power App. This is called Power Automate. So now I can show you one real-time project explanation. For example, I have created some projects. So click on create. So it can also support all type of data sources. Click on more data source. We can interact with the Power App. You can communicating with Amazon, Apache, Azure, DB2, like Dynamics 365, Google Sheet, Marketo, MySQL, OneDrive, Oracle, Salesforce, SharePoint, SQL Server, Teradata, user voice, like different type of application. Just I will show you how to interact with Salesforce. Just I can click on create. Without any coding, I can communicating with the Salesforce account. Just click on login. Already have created Salesforce account. It will ask the permission. Click on allow access. Now I can choose the any table accounts table. Click on connect. So without any coding, I can develop the application with the Salesforce interaction. Now I can also apply the color without any coding. So so when I click on play button, it is also support tablet, Apple iPad. It can also support Apple iPad menu. It can also support browser iPhone X. It can also support browser 11 because Power App can support all type of devices like desktop, tablet, and mobile also. So interaction with the Salesforce also very easy process. Not in Salesforce, any kind of database, no need to write even one line of code. You can communicating with Power App to any kind of database. Okay, so now I'm going to like one real-time application. Just you can go to home page, just make.powerapp.com, click on leave, click on create. So for example, leave management system, leave request. So I'm creating one project for Canvas app application. So this application also can support like mobile, desktop, and tablet also. So I am creating different type of skins. This is called Power App Studio. It can support all type of controls like labels, forms, galleries, chart input control, display control, layouts, media, camera, measuring camera, barcode scanner, icons, all type of icons like shapes, like back arrow, front arrow, like charts, column chart, line chart, Power BI, tile, like AA builder, business card reader, so ATM card processors. like mixed reality. This is also VMR, V-shape MR, measure MR, markup HMR. Like for example, I have to click on play button. So login as an employee. So if you want to create the leave request, I can create the request. So have different type of leaves are there: vacation, sick leave, floating holiday, gratuity, bereavement. So I can apply the leave based on the requirement. I am also apply the validations here. So for example, today date, less than date, start date must be occurred before end date only. Just I can mention here. Now I title going to marriage. So okay. So I can submit the request. The request will be go to the manager. So my leave request, occasion going to marriage. Right now it is pending state. So manager will log in, will approve the leaves. So this type like company holidays, like about leaves logout scenario. So login as a manager. So it will check the all the pending and approve request. You can approve the leave request. So this type of like leave process, leave applications, like budget tracker information. So all projects are will created today Power Apps applications only. So like this is the applications, real-time application. Interview questions for today class. They are asking what is Power App, what is Power Automate, what is Power Virtual Agent, what is Power BI. That is the one interview question. How many type of services are can supported in Power App? That is also one of the interview question. So what type of Power App required parameters? That is also one of the interview question. And what is the required for Power Automate? That is also one of the interview question. Like about job opportunity and salary structure. So today, so all calls are related to Power Apps only because only one technology without any coding, without any database knowledge, without any software knowledge. So you can put it in, keep it like 3 to 4 years experience. Only one technology, that is the Power App only, that is Power Platform only. About salary structure also, for example, you are keep it in 3 or 4 years experience, we can expect around like 20 to 22 salary. For example, in 3 to 4 years, without any experience, you can export like 12 to 17 lakhs. That is the salary structure. About to calls related, for example, or keep it in 3 to 4 years, around daily you are getting like 15 to 20 calls daily basis. So that is today my agenda session. Now your end, you can ask any questions.
What about the system configuration? Do we need any specific RAM like that?
No, if you have mobile, you have mobile, you can log in with mobile also. You can develop the application mobile also.
Okay. Then what about this like the trial version? It will work how many days?
Default to 3 months, you can increase up to 6 months.
Okay. Total up to 3 to 6 months. It is we can use free version, right?
Free version, yes.
What about the certification we can achieve after completing this class?
Basically, certification, they are not asking any certification for the interview purpose. If you want to require more things, you can use PL 900, PL 400. That is the basic and premium certifications.
So you also providing the content for that?
Yeah, you are providing the content for that also.
We'll get material, right?
Yeah,
Session.
I have provided one book also, Power App book, Power Automate book, and recording videos, and four real-time projects, and like project documentations also.
We will share to online who are taking online
Online and
courses.
offline both parallelly.
That material will be shared to us, right?
Yeah, material will share to
Online
you
guys.
are yeah, you are uploading in in Google Drive. You can access the that material from the Google Drive.
Duration? What's
Duration 45 to 50 days.
okay.
Do you get any live project support if in case of
Yes.
we have facing any issues?
Yeah, 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 yeah. So in our institution having like a support also. So if you want to request support, please come to institution. We will provide support.
Okay, got it.
And in classes also, you will explain the real-time scenarios like that, right?
Four real-time project will explain. Four real-time projects. Okay, guys. Thank you
But
so much for joining. Thank you. So, do you have any doubts? We'll wait. Otherwise, we are going to disconnect the call. So tomorrow we'll continue the like what is Canvas, what is model driven, what is Power Pages, and we'll also explain one real-time project for tomorrow class.
Tomorrow, same time, sir.
Same time, including weekends also. Weekend means only Saturday, not Sunday.
Sure.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow with a new session, like with a new project. Take care. Bye bye.